The corrected Aufbau narrative. How periodic elements are truly built, from the inside out. For more than a century, the Aufbau principle has been taught as an electron-filling rule. Electrons occupy orbitals in order of increasing energy. But Tetryonics reveals that this is backwards. Electrons do not build atoms. Electrons do not determine shells. Electrons do not create periodicity. The nucleus builds the atom, and electrons simply occupy the key M geometry it generates. The true Aufbau is nuclear. 1. The nucleus is built from contracted charged deuterium topologies. Every element begins with the same unit, deuterium, an 84p contracted charge topology containing a proton, neutron, and bound electron geometry, stabilized by 3 KOA apex bond points. These apex sites force deuterons to pack in quantized contracted layers, forming the true nuclear shells. This stacking sequence is the real Aufbau. 2. Deuteron stacking creates the nuclear shells. As deuterons pack, they form shells with fixed capacities. 2, 8, 18, 32, 32, 18, 8, 2. These are not electron capacities, but deuteron packing limits. Bohr saw these numbers in spectra. Schrödinger encoded them. Tetryonics reveals their geometric origin. 3. Nuclear shells generate the key M standing wave geometry. Each layer produces a specific baryonic energy level, a quantized key M field strength, and a fixed number of angular partitions. The S, P, D, F standing wave regions. These are not electron orbitals, they are nuclear field geometries. Electrons simply occupy these regions continuously. 4. Electrons do not fill orbitals, they inhabit geometry. Electrons are 12p quantum rotors. They never jump or teleport. They remain continuous while the KM field reconfigures around them. Photon absorption or emission changes the geometry, not the electron's location. The old Aufbau principle misinterpreted these geometric transitions as electron filling. 5. The true Aufbau sequence. Elements are built by stacking Z-deuterium nuclei into contracted charged shells. These shells create energy layers that shape the key M geometry. The periodic table arises from the nuclear Aufbau. This is the first physically correct Aufbau narrative in atomic theory. 6. Why the old model must be retired. It assumes electrons determine structure and treats orbitals as probability clouds. Tetryonics replaces it with contracted charge nuclear geometry and deterministic KEM fields. This is the true architecture of atoms. The Aufbau principle is a nuclear construction rule, not an electron filling rule. All periodic elements are built by stacking Z-deuterium nuclei into contracted charged shells. Electrons never jump. They simply inhabit the standing wave regions created by the deuteron-layered nucleus.